Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will compare the XL Bully and the Kangal, two impressive dog breeds with distinct characteristics. The XL Bully, a type of American bully, was developed for companionship, while the Kangal is a traditional Turkish livestock guardian. We will explore their origins, physical attributes, temperaments, and care requirements. Join us as we delve into what makes each of these powerful dogs unique and help you understand their differences. When it comes to physical presence, these breeds are both formidable, yet distinct. The XL Bully typically measures between 20 and 23 inches at the shoulder, with males weighing from 80 to 140 pounds. They boast a very muscular, compact, and broad physique. In contrast, the Kangal is generally taller, with males standing 28 to 31 inches and weighing between 90 and 145 pounds. Kangals are known for their athletic build and dense, protective double coat. Their temperaments reflect their original purposes. The XL Bully was developed to be a loving and gentle family companion, often displaying an affectionate and outgoing nature, especially towards children. They thrive on human interaction. The Kangal, however, is an ancient livestock guardian, known for its independent and protective instincts. They are calm and loyal to their families, but can be aloof or wary of strangers, making early socialization and experienced ownership crucial for these powerful dogs. Regarding care, both breeds have specific needs. XL Bullies require moderate daily exercise, typically 30 to 45-minute walks, along with mental stimulation. Their grooming is low maintenance. Kangals, being working dogs, need significant exercise, often 2 hours or more daily, including opportunities to run freely. Training a Kangal demands an experienced hand due to their independent nature. Both breeds generally live between 10 and 15 years, with bullies typically 10 to 13 and Kangals 10 to 15, but both can be prone to joint issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.